I just put a new battery in here, and let's give it a shot. Gonna attempt to start this up after not running for a couple years. Yeah, that doesn't sound good. So let me go back and reassess. Doesn't seem like the engine's turning over. Okay, so I broke the engine free. Basically, there was a on the passenger side wheel well. There's a clip here. Took a couple screws out here. There's another clip back there. So I get this loose, pull that back. We got the engine crankshaft, and then I used just a breaker bar with a 13/16 inch socket. Got it in there and worked it back and forth. Obviously, I don't have a lot of torque on it, but I was. Let's see if I can set up. I did feel it break free. Didn't have to put that much effort into it, but as you can see, it's turning now. And there was definitely a I don't know, a little corrosion or something, just from the engine sitting for so long, I think. All right, well, I'm gonna toss the battery in it and see if it starts. I installed the battery, so we're gonna give this another shot. Hey, look at that. It started up. Look at that, started right up. Obviously, I'm not gonna let it run too long. I wanna throw that wheel back on and put the car back on the ground so it's a little bit safer. But didn't run that great, but the distributor and the timing hasn't been set. Obviously, without it running, it's been all apart. And I have to cut the exhaust off and replace that because it's all rotted out, especially the catalytic converter. All right, well, stay tuned. All right, put the accessory drive belt back on, and I'm gonna fill it with coolant now that the water pump is turning. So, topped off the fluids, and everything worked its way in. It sounded good. Actually sounded fantastic. There's a couple of minor issues. Got a coolant line that apparently is not connected properly, but it's minor. Important thing is the car is running.